Cat wakes up on January 1st feeling powerful. Not rich, just powerful. Cat stretches. Cat smiles. Cat decides this is the year. Cat makes a spreadsheet. Cat deletes food delivery apps. Cat promises to track every expense. Cat even watches one finance video at 1.25 speed, like a professional. For exactly 3 days, Cat is super investor Cat. Day 1, disciplined. Day 2, motivated. Day 3, still trying. Day 4, Cat respawns as default Cat, lying on the couch, refreshing the market like it personally owes Cat money. Cat opens the bank app. The number is disappointing. Not zero, not disaster. Just low enough to ruin the mood. Cat gets angry at Cat. Cat thinks, how am I still bad at this? I know better. I watched videos. I made plans. The internet screams back, if you're broke, you just don't want it badly enough. But if wanting money was enough, everyone would be rich by February. So, pause. Because this isn't about motivation, and it's not about intelligence. Something else is happening. Let's talk about that. Part 1, Cat's brain is lazy, and smart about it. Cat's brain is not broken. Cat's brain is efficient. Money decisions cost energy. Tracking spending, budgeting, planning for the future version of Cat that may or may not exist. It's exhausting. So, before every money action, Cat's brain asks one quiet question. Can we do the familiar thing instead? Because familiar is cheap. Familiar is fast. Familiar doesn't argue back. Every repeated money behavior leaves a trail. Swipe the card. Ignore the notification. Promise to check later. Repeat. Once is nothing, twice is coincidence. Do it long enough, and the trail becomes a highway. And the biggest highway in Cat's brain has a glowing neon sign that says, convenience, dopamine, buy now, think never. Trying to be disciplined means forcing Cat to cut a brand new path through a financial jungle, while the old path offers snacks, comfort, and zero effort. Of course, Cat keeps using the old road. So this year, Cat stops trying to be stronger. Cat does something smarter. Cat builds systems that make the right money choice the lazy choice. Part 2, Intentions versus Defaults. There are 2 financial modes in Cat's brain. Planner mode and autopilot mode. Planner mode says, I should save more. I should invest. I should stop wasting money. Planner mode is logical. Planner mode is reasonable. Planner mode is also tired. Autopilot mode is fast. Autopilot mode runs defaults. Autopilot doesn't care about future Cat. Autopilot cares about now. Autopilot sees convenience. One-click buys. That you deserve this energy. And presses yes. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most of Cat's money life is not decided by plans. It's decided by defaults. Where money goes first. What happens automatically. What never gets questioned. The goal is not to live forever in planner mode. That's impossible. The goal is to train autopilot better scripts, because once money decisions become default, Cat stops arguing with Cat. Part 3, The System. Build the new road. Step 1, make it embarrassingly small. Cat starts with one rule, so small it feels stupid. Every day, Cat tracks one number. Just one. Balance, spending total, net worth. Anything. Why? Because Cat cannot financially self-sabotage a day that already started with awareness. Big goals fail. Tiny non-negotiables survive. Cat doesn't need motivation. Cat needs something so small autopilot doesn't resist. Step 2. One trigger. Same time. Money habits need a start signal, not when I feel responsible. That never works. Cat picks a moment, same time, same place. Morning coffee. Open the app. Look at the number. No emotion. No judgment. No spiral. Just start. The goal is not motivation. The goal is fewer decisions. Step 3. Delete friction. Bad money habits thrive on convenience. So Cat makes them annoying. Cards not saved online. Spending apps locked. Impulse buys require effort. Meanwhile, good habits get the red carpet. Auto-invest on payday. Savings hidden. Bills automated. Now the environment whispers, save, and bad habits suddenly need passwords, confirmation, and time. Most impulses die if they're delayed. Step 4. Never miss twice. Cat has one financial rule. Miss once? Life happens. Miss twice? Danger. One skip day is a mistake. 2 skip days is how chaos grows back. No shame spiral, no new era speech. Just return to the tiny action immediately. Consistency beats intensity every time. Step 5. Pay the brain now. Future rewards don't motivate Cat. Retirement means nothing at 2 in the morning. So Cat adds immediate rewards. Favorite coffee while tracking money. Favorite podcast only during financial cleanup. Not because Cat is weak, because Cat is a mammal. Part 4. When does the new money road stick? There is no magic number. Sometimes it takes weeks. Sometimes it takes months. The danger zone is when it stops being exciting but isn't automatic yet. That doesn't mean Cat failed. That means the system is doing the work. Cat keeps the habit tiny, keeps the trigger stable, keeps rewards immediate, and slowly, autopilot updates. One day, Cat notices something strange. Saving happened without effort. That's when the road is real. End the reframe. Here's the truth. Money doesn't change because Cat makes one big decision. Money changes because Cat stacks small wins until small wins become default behavior. Cat plants a seed labeled Day 1 and gets mad when it's not a tree by Friday. Classic Cat. But Cat keeps stacking anyway. One coin at a time. One system at a time. One calm decision at a time. If you enjoyed the Cat's videos and want to support the channel, click the link in the description to join the Cat Squad and unlock membership perks. The Cat says thanks. Like this video. Toss the Cat a subscribe. It keeps the treats coming.